All right, guys, here's just some bonus content that I decided to add here. Here we are. These are all 1-year graphs. Here's Ripple at its all-time high, $3.38. That's within 1 year at that peak of over 55,000% increase, which is great if you compare it to the stock market, as it only goes up a few percents a year. This isn't obviously even a year. This is that spike we saw in December. Here's Ripple the next day at 34% increase from that 1 year ago. Here's Litecoin. You can notice it's not as big of an increase, but still when we hit that spike, this is December 19th, 8,290%. And don't mix that up with times. Now let's take a look at the stock market. Here's Disney's stock in 1 year. If you would have invested in Disney 1 year ago, you would have lost 5%. Lost 5%. Each share is currently worth $103.62. Here we'll see Facebook stock 1 year ago, what it was worth, and at 1 year later, 31% increase, currently at $180 a share. That's also kind of how I look at cryptocurrency. I look at it as a share instead of a coin. Yeah, here's Facebook again, is 2.14%. Still kind of flatlined. There was that spike there. I'm not sure what for that spike. Here's Apple, 28% increase. But I'm showing you these because just because the stock market does one thing, it's totally different from the cryptocurrency, where you see thousands increase percent-wise. Here's take a look at this. These two screenshots are done in the same day. This is a stock market screenshot. The only thing that up there was Netflix that day. Disney, Tesla, Twitter, everything was down. And within the same day, here's the crypto market, where it's all in the green. Red is bad, green is good. And here you can see XRP is, everything's up. And they all kind of follow, you'll see the graph, the same chart. When Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. They all follow suit like that. Here's the all-time Ethereum high we saw. I guess this is January 14th. 1,360,000 a share. It went up in 1 year over almost 12,000%. 12,000%. And here, of course, is that Bitcoin boom, December 17th, like we talked about. It didn't hold on very long, but you see those spikes we're still just way ahead, almost, 1,700%.